Yes, Sister Sadika. What were you telling us? Just a minute. Let me send message to my mom. Join the class again. Yes, Sister Sadika. What was the sentence or what was the translation done by Sister Saima?
Okay, congregational
No,
prayer
no,
is better
is better than the prayer, better
than the
than the
prayer at
home or in home.
okay
Yes.
in home.
In the home.
Salatul Jamati ahsanu min as-salati fil bayti.
Salatul Jama'ati afdalu min
Afsal
as-salati fil bayti.
fil bayti.
Again, Salatul Jama'ati.
Yes.
Salatul Jama'ati
Jama'ati afzalu
afdalu min as-salati fil bayti.
fil bayti.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, just curious, sir.
Hmm.
When we can compare better than, shall we not use kasolati fi
No,
baiti?
no, 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 no. That is for
I mean,
tashbih. That is kaf for tashbih. Tashbih means resemblance. Like
okay, okay.
Zaid is just like a lion.
Yeah, yes.
Zaidun kal aswadi. It's not
Yes, I,
this is not comparative degree. We are using afzalu as a comparative degree.
okay. Yes,
Okay.
now I understand. Thank you.
अच्छा
Okay.
ये जो है ये एक्सक्यूज मी एक और मैं पूछना चाह रही हूँ ये सलातुल जमाती हम कह रहे हैं तो अगर हम इसको कहें सलातु बिल जमाती
Now this is murakkabul izafi. Jama'at
जी जी
ki namaz.
सही
The prayer
ठीक है
of congregation or congregational prayer, that is a phrase. That phrase tells that they having the nisbat of muzaf and muzaf ilayh,
यस
right? Okay.
ठीक है
Okay. 23. Safai iman ka hissa hai. Safai iman ka hissa hai. Cleanliness is a part of iman or faith. Sister Sadika, first you, if you try, then we'll go to Sister Saima. You cannot do.
शाबतु नज शाबतु
There is,
नजीफतुल ईमान
listen. There is only one murakkabul izafi, not two. Listen,
ओके
I'm saying safai iman ka hissa hai. Cleanliness is a part of faith. We are not saying, so I'm not adding something with cleanliness. Do you understand?
ओके जी
Yes. Hmm.
I'm not sure
Okay. Yes, Sister Saima, go ahead.
Okay. النظافة شعبة الإيمان.
Very good. النظافة شعبة الإيمان. Very good. Okay, do you understand?
नजाफत
النظافة, not نظافة. النظافة, that is مبتدا. Brother Eman, इराक के मुसलमान खस्ता हाल हैं. या if you say तंजानिया के मुसलमान खस्ता हाल हैं और शाम के मुसलमान खस्ता हाल हैं और पाकिस्तान के मुसलमान खस्ता हाल हैं. What do you say?
مسلم العراقي بائسون.
Muslimu al-Iraqi. Okay, al-Iraq
जी
or Iraqi.
العراق
Okay. Balisuna.
بائسون जी.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, can I give it a go?
Mm-hmm.
Right, okay, I've got العراقي as well. مسلم العراقي في حال بائس أو شقي.
Baisun is correct. Very good. Very good, brother. Jazakallah khair. No issues. That's correct. But if you say that if we use the fee in case in the state or in the plight, okay, then it should be fee. Was there any such word in English translation?
Yes, sir, that's why I got it from the Muslims of Iraq are in a miserable state.
Okay, okay. So for that you can use fee, but translation is not that correct. But read it in Urdu. Just I'm giving you a chance to read it in Urdu in front of it. You please read it. What is Urdu?
Which one, sir?
24.
Okay. All right. Iraq के मुसलमान खुशहाल है.
खस्ताहाल है.
खस्ताहाल है. Okay.
So there is no may nahi aa raha na, right?
No, yeah, that's correct.
That's why we are not bringing any fee over there, right?
Right, okay.
Right. So you have to double your efforts. You have to read Urdu as well as English, because that would be very much better for you. And once you start teaching, that will also be better for others, right?
Right, okay. So does that mean I need to teach in Urdu as well? That's going to be impossible.
No. To know the proper language, means the language of the book, because the English book is a translation of Urdu. That's why.
Okay.
That's why. Okay, let's go. Doctor ka clinic.
So, sorry, which one? What's the correct sentence then? The sentence structure.
Without fee. Without fee. Yes, I'm saying. Muslimul Iraqi ba'isuna.
Ba'isuna. Okay. Is it Iraqi or Al-Iraqi?
Al-Iraqi.
Yeah, okay. Jazakallah.
Yes. डॉक्टर का क्लिनिक मोहल्ले की मस्जिद के से करीब है. डॉक्टर का क्लिनिक मोहल्ले की मस्जिद के करीब है.
Can I translate, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay. عيادة الطبيب قريبة من مسجد الحي.
Okay, very good.
अयादतु तय्यबी हो गया या अयादतु तबी अयादतु तबीबी हो गया या अयादतु
तबीबी. Okay.
ठीक है.
मेरी बहन ज़ैद की बीवी है. My sister is Zaid's wife. कौन करेगा? Yes, sister Sadika और sister Yanti, both of you.
أختي زوجة زيد.
माशाल्लाह. زوجته or زوج زيد?
زوجته, because it's wife, right?
Are you sure?
زوجته. Isn't it wife? Zawjat.
मैंने भी zawjatu. I've also written zawjatu.
Okay. Yes, sister Saino, what have you written?
Right. Okay. I was a bit confused with this one. So, ukhti. Okay. So, ukhtun is the mudaf. The ya mutakallim is mudaf ilayhi. Ukhti. Now the zawjatu,
Hmm.
obviously, is it? Am I possessing it?
Yes, possessing.
So it would that be mudaf then? If it's mudaf,
Mhm.
then it would be zawjati Zaydin. But if
Zawjatu
not, it's
Zaidin.
mudaf.
Zawjatu Zaid means that's correct. I was just asking, would it be Zawjatu or Zawju?
Yeah. No, I've written zawjatu Zaydin because it's not a
Okay.
mudaf
Okay, okay.
for the ya mutakallim.
Very good. 727. All of you who have written it correct, all of you are very good. MashaAllah. Allah bless you. 27. Ilm ka talab karna farz hai. Seeking knowledge is mandatory. Ilm ka talab karna farz hai. Seeking knowledge is mandatory. Yes.
मैं ट्राई करूं.
जी करें.
तालिबु इल्मी वाजिबुन.
Talibu or talabul? What is it?
तलबुन.
Talabul ilmi wajib.
तलबुल इल्मी वाजिबुन.
Wajibun or
वाजिब.
farizatun?
अच्छा, फरीजतुन भी हो सकता है जी.
Talabul ilmi farizatun. Talabul ilmi farizatun. Talabul ilmi farizatun.
फरीजतुन.
Okay.
जी.
Okay. So I think that's. Yeah.
Sorry, what was the first word?
Talabul ilmi farizatun.
Search.
Talabul ilmi farizatun.
Okay.
Talabul ilmi farizatun.
ये जो पहले 26 था, ये इसमें उख्तु
Ukhti.
उख्ती, सॉरी,
Zawjatu Zaidin. So I think, mashallah, you have done wonderful
इसमें कोई
job.
वो नहीं आएगा, की के लिए वो नहीं आएगा. अच्छा, इसमें नहीं आएगा. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
उख्ती ज़ौजतु ज़ैदिन. ठीक है.
So I think for today, alhamdulillah, you have done wonderful job. Take your time for tomorrow. You're going to have the session tomorrow as well. Let me stop here the recording.